Eric Blackmon Music.
Walking down 29th and Park, I saw you in another's arm.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Happier by Ed Sheeran on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we're going to play this entire song with just 3 chords. The chords are A minor 7, formed that way. I've got a finger on the 1st fret, B string, and the 2nd fret, D string, strumming from the A string. We'll need an F chord, formed this way. That's with a finger on the B string and high E string 1st fret, the G string 2nd fret, and the D string 3rd fret. And we're strumming that from the D string. And then we'll have a conventional C chord, where we're holding down the B string 1st fret, the D string 2nd fret, and the A string 3rd fret, strumming from the A string. Those are the 3 chords we'll need. For the intro, here's what we'll play.
Walking down 29th and Park, I saw you in another's arm.
Later on in the song, we'll strum the chords with a down up motion like this. That's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's all we'll need to learn to play Happier by Ed Sheeran on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.
I knew one day you'd fall for someone new, but if he breaks your heart like lovers do, just know that I'll be waiting here